Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm ARK. By now we are already introduced to the basics of web development and why is HTML used. And I've also made the video on setting up the environment for Python, Java and web development. If you haven't seen it yet, then go and see it first, set up your environment and then come back to watch this video. Now with that being said, let's actually get started and see what is the structure of HTML. So before that, let's make a new folder. I'll make the folder on desktop. So let's right click and make a new folder. I'll name it as web practice. That is it. So let's open that. We can just right click here and open with code, but I'll go to VS Code and open it because most of you may have not enabled that option of open with code. We can enable that options when we are installing VS Code. So we are in VS Code now. Just click this file on top left corner and press open folder. Now go to the desktop or wherever you have saved that folder, wherever you have made that folder. Open web practice, and when you are into that folder, just press select folder. So now we are in the directory where we are gonna practice our web development. Let's make a new file. You can also press Ctrl plus N, but you can also make the file by clicking on this new file, and let's name it whatever you want. I'll name it index.html as the default name for any web page. Index.html is the starting point of our website. So we have made the folder, we have logged into the directory, and we have created the index.html file. Now we can finally start working on it. So let's get started by seeing the structure of HTML document, the common structure, the basic structure of an HTML document. Let us now see how a basic HTML document look like. Though I can use a starter template by just typing exclamation mark and hitting enter. I will get the starter template, but we will not use it. We will go slow and steady by understanding each and every tag. So the first thing we need to specify is the doc type. In HTML, that means this element shows what is the type of the document we are making. We specify that this particular document is an HTML5 document, that is HTML document, by using this doc type tag. It is actually pretty expressive by its name, that is doc type. So the next thing we need to do is that we need to start our HTML document. We will do that by using HTML. This is an HTML element. Yeah, it has an attribute like lang. For now, just ignore those attributes. We need to have an HTML element. That means an opening tag of HTML and a closing tag of HTML to specify from where to where the document or the web page is valid. So inside the HTML tag, we have two elements, that is our head and our body. So head and body are the children of HTML tag or HTML element. So inside head, we write metadata of our web page. That means head tag specifies the information about the web page. Like we can write, for example, we can write title in it, and by title I don't mean the heading of the web page. I just mean the title. I'll just show you by running it. Let's name it getting started. As the name specifies, body means the body of our web page. This particular thing gets displayed directly on our web page. And just to make it clear, the content inside head element is not displayed on the web page. Only the body is displayed on the web page. Head is just to provide information about that web page, like title and like description and all that. We have different type of meta tags, but we will cover them in a different video. For now, we are just looking at the structure of an HTML document. So we are done with head. Head provides the information about the web page. Body tag is directly displayed on the browser, on the browser window. Let's create something. Let's write something here. Something. Let's save it and let's now open it. I've already installed live server, and if you followed my video, then I hope that you have already installed the live server as well. You can right click and run it with live server, open it with live server. Just wait for a while. So let me zoom in. You can see something is printed. So you can see that title is here. It basically shows the name of our HTML document. That means the title of our HTML document. As I said, that head is not printed. Head is not shown in the document window. Only body is printed in the document window. So that is pretty much it. This is the structure of an HTML document, the basic structure of an HTML document. And by basic structure, I mean that these particular things are required for your website to work. We can't just remove body and expect to see something on your web page. Everything will be gone. So let's get our body back. I'm pressing Ctrl S to save and Ctrl Z to get the things back, just in case if someone is that beginner. So that is it for the video, guys. We have seen the basic structure of an HTML document. We will explore HTML more in our further videos. Till then, stay tuned and see you in the next one.